let me show you how to edit contact information on Yahoo Mail. So all we need to do is select the contact card here in the top right hand corner. This will bring up all your contacts, and let's select any contact that you want to edit. I'll just select this one here. Then you want to press the three little dots in the top corner. Now we want to select Edit Contact. Now we can come down and change any of the settings. So let's add a surname. We can come down and change anything within the contact. Then come all the way to the bottom and press Save. And now we have successfully edited the contact information on Yahoo Mail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see many more videos like this one.